are so many animals inhabiting Earth that studying them individually gets very tedious. Hence, in order to simplify our studies, we classify them based on certain characters. This chart tells us the classification system based on the presence or the absence of the notochord. We know that non-chordates are animals without a notochord and have a few more related features. We have already looked at each phylum from this category. We've seen what hemichordates are. The organisms which have a notochord only for a specific stage, the embryonic stage to be precise. Now we look at the next category, that is chordates. What exactly are chordates? Organisms which have a proper notochord and a few other related features all throughout their life are chordates. Chordates are further divided into three major subphyla. These include Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. Let's have a look at each one. Urochordata are also referred to as tunicata. These tunicates have sac-like bodies which are usually found to be sessile. You may wonder, if they have a sac-like body which appears to be so simple, then why do we categorize them as chordates? That is because they have notochord, dorsal nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits, and all the other characteristics that chordates possess. In fact, the larval form even have post-anal tails which help them swim. The larvae usually swim and settle on a solid and reliable substrate where they can adhere and then grow. The sac-like structure helps in movement of water in and out of the organism's body. Ascidians, Haliaceae, are a few urochordates found deep in the ocean. The next subphylum in our list is that of cephalochordates. These are small animals usually found buried in sand for most of the times. These are also called as amphioxus or lancelets. These small eel-like minute animals, which are seen in most of the biological laboratories, are nothing but cephalochordates. But why are these important to us? Cephalochordates help us study evolution as they form an important link between the invertebrates and vertebrates. These have a dorsal nerve cord which is supported by the notochord as seen here. That makes them a member of the chordate system. The other features of vertebrates are, however, not really developed well. They lack a proper digestive system. The digestive system consists of a simple, slender pouch with associated glands that aid by giving out digestive enzymes. The mouth contains a unique feature called the wheel organ. And what exactly is this? Any idea? Well, wheel organs, as we can see here, is nothing but a set of ridges that surrounds the oral cavity. It helps in trapping of food particles as they enter the mouth along with the water. The nervous system and other senses are also poorly developed. Sexes are separate in the cephalochordates, and fertilization takes place externally. The initial life stages are spent as larvae, which seems to be fish-like free-living creatures. Now the next category of chordates are the vertebrates. This is a whole bunch of highly evolved and well-developed